Hey guys, welcome back to the Paper Nate channel. Today we finally got our package. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this literally all week. I've seen everybody getting there and I'm like, where's mine? Where's mine? Well, stupid me didn't realize that I had to clear DHL for customs. And so it was being held in Cincinnati, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio for like 3 days. And then I was like, okay, it's time to get my package. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. This is the spring release of Happy Planner. It includes the Wicked. Ooh, I totally forgot I got the Wicked bundle. Powerpuff Girls, I got everything from the Powerpuff Girls. And you know what? Let me stop talking about it because we're gonna see it for ourselves. So let's see it for ourselves. I hope nothing got damaged. We're gonna be blind. The way I don't even want to use the scissors. I'm scared I'm gonna damage something. We're gonna be blind react to this. Ooh, it's all bubble wrapped and everything. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get back to the video. Ooh, okay, they really took care of these this time. I can already see that we have the classic dotted line notebook, the Powerpuff Girls. Oh my god, I don't even want to open it. It's so like, I love it so much. I'm literally gonna use this right away. I will discuss what I want to do it with later, but you know what? Rip the damn thing. Ooh, oh my gosh, I didn't know that like the foil, it's like a foil cover, like the lettering in the back. Same, but no foil. And the cover, oh, so pretty. God, I love it. I'm gonna put that away. We got these classic sticker sheets from Heather McLaughlin, the Coastal Cottage. These are so cute. They have they're like orange themed. And I know Happy Planner did a lemon one that I kind of wanted to get, but I forgot to get it. Oh, this one has lemons too. This is such a cute book. I can't wait to use this for the summer. Like, I love oranges. Is I love oranges the new, do you guys like apples? Let me know. On the topic of fruits, here is another fruity sticker sheet. This is also by Heather McLaughlin, and these are Strawberry Picnic. I think I broke the book. But let's just smile and nod. Yeah, smile and nod. Ooh, these are really cute. I think these are the washi strips. And oh, the sticker quality is like really premium on this page. Actually, the whole thing. They're not really using the paper. Oh, they are doing paper. Let me shut my mouth. Shut my mouth. These are so cute. Very cottage vibes as well. Oh, picnic vibes. We got a ton of stuff. You guys, this is like literally filled to the brim. And I know Happy Planner just got their new warehouse. So everything is like packaged so nicely. I remember when I got my Stoopy box, ooh, the box was damaged. So it's nice to see that these have like foam and bubble wrap everywhere. Love it. Next is the Powerpuffs planner. This is another one I'm super excited to use. Ooh, look at that. It has the clear glitter discs. And this one is a classic dashboard layout. I haven't really used a dashboard layout, so I'm kind of excited. I think I want to use this for my social media page. Now, we'll unbox the notebook one later, but let's just quickly look through what this has to offer. So custom calendar sheets, so cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Yeah, they're taking it. The only thing I wish is that there was a vertical option, because y'all know I am a vertical planner, because I can't really decorate these because it's just so functional. I don't really want to put stickers in it. So I'm glad that it has its own designs and you don't really have to put stickers in it because the pages are already kind of decorated. We'll go through this in another video, but very, very cute. And then on the Powerpuff Girls, we have the Powerpuff Girls classic sticker sheets. I wanted to get 2 of these because one I just wanted to keep. I know, it's so greedy, but I just love the Powerpuff Girls so much. In fact, look at this. This is, I think they're called Uglies? Fugglers. Look how cute this is. Or how ugly it is. You guys think this is cute or ugly? I think it's adorable. I love the teeth. I love her little high eyes. She looks like she just smoked a fat one. And I just think she's adorable. My sister gave me this. So cute. I think it's a Molly X the Powerpuff Girls. This one's obviously Bubbles. So as you can tell, well, I love the Powerpuff Girls. I even, back when I was still a wee little boy, we used to play on the playground and I would always be like, okay, let's play Powerpuff Girls. And I would be Bubbles every time. So don't play with me. I am Bubbles. Though my friends say that, well, my sister says that times have changed and I'm more of the Blossom type now. Which I get. I mean, I do planning, so I am kind of a type A baddie as per these stickers. We'll do a proper flip through of these in another video, but wow, these are so cute. These are so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I hope Happy Planner has more Powerpuff Girls stuff in store. Next we have, this is a really cute, the Country Charm collection is so cute. I don't know if I bought the planner, but it had a really cute skinny mini or skinny classic that kind of had this style. And I wanted it so bad, but I already am using my Disney Stitch and Angel classic for, like I already have a skinny classic, so I don't know what else I would use it for. But just a quick flip through of this as well. Look how cute these are. Now, obviously, they don't really hold a candle to my Powerpuff Girls stickers, but I think they're such like a nice theme, very homey, very cottage. I mean, it is called Country Charm. Looks like I can put a sticker on a horse and ride away in the sunset. If that made any sense. I know it made none. So just smile. I got another, is this the one I ordered? I'll have to double check. Because I feel like I ordered bright colorful boxes. Because I feel like I have this one already. Let me double check. I think I received the wrong thing. Actually, no, I was wrong. And I stand corrected. I thought there was gonna be a brighter one, but looks like I have 2 now. Now, I wanna do these planners for last. I see Wicked. But let's open this gorgeous little notebook. I love the cover of this one as well. Ta-da! This is the mini horizontal layout. Oh, oh my god, I want to use this one as well. I can't wait to use this. Currently, I'm using the Pooh seasonal layout, and that one is, it is a vertical. So I haven't really used the mini horizontal, which is so much more, like, it makes so much more sense to use a horizontal for work than a vertical. So I am definitely gonna switch to this come July. Sorry, Winnie the Pooh. You're gonna go into the planner graveyard. But look how cute this like page is. They started customizing the welcome pages. Is it called a welcome page? And just, I love it. I adore these so much. They're the same dividers as the other one. So we will check that out in another video. Now, before we get to the planners and of course the Wicked box, I did get, oh my god, this is huge. I didn't know this was a big planner. But I did get something that was on sale from the last that I really wanted. And let me open this. I did not know this was a big planner. It's humongous. So here is the big horizontal layout Bow Happy. I really wanted it because I wanted these purple clear discs. I know, I literally bought it just for the purple clear discs. So, and it's such a cute spread too. It's undated. Let's take a look at this quickly. I know you guys have probably seen people opening these, and I didn't know that it was a big planner. This is my first big planner, you guys. I literally bought it just for the discs, but also the designs are so cute. If we take a quick look, they have, it's the complimentary to the Bow Happy stickers, which I also got. And I haven't done a spread for that yet, so that will be coming in a video soon. But look at this monthly, you guys. I love the retro feel of this. And of course, the horizontal layout is always so functional, so much space, and so huge. Actually, I might just start using this as a journal. I did have a planner that I converted into a journal somewhere else, but I feel like I'd be more compelled to write in it if it was Minnie Mouse. And it's a big planner, so there's a lot more space to write, which is very nice. This inner cover is so cute. I wish it was a classic size because I've been Franken planning a lot of my notebooks, and I would have loved to use this as like a cover to one of my notebooks. And it has it at the back too, so you could use this as the front page. Little tip, use this as the front page to have like this. Though you will have the logo, but I don't really care about that. Then you can use this as a back page so it's right up. Unless you don't care if it's upside down. So yeah, love it. I can't wait to use this. Now another thing that we got from the collection is, let's open it first. This one, I saw it and I could not put it in my shopping cart, you know? It is one of the premium covers. It's a classic premium cover horizontal layout from, sorry, I cannot read that. Annie Quigley? Sorry, Annie, but look how pretty this is. Oh wow, this cover is nice. It's like a fabric cover and it's stitched all on the side, and it kind of feels like canvas, and it really looks like this was painted. And these little dots are like shiny. Oh my god, this is really nice. Let's take a look inside. The inner cover is super cute too. Hopefully I'm not making so much noise. This one I just bought for fun because I saw it and I was like, this is so cute. It is dated though, so gotta use this in July. Unless I want to, you know, redate everything, but I've been there, done that. I don't know. It's a lot of work. But this is another horizontal planner, so I might be using this for work as well. I have the mini one to do some quick notes, and then this one, I don't know. We'll see what we can use. There's always room, or I could just keep these as extra pages. Look at the dividers though, y'all. Very cute. Oh. It's like, really has that like painted charm, and just like, I love it. Good job, Anna Quigley. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say your name. So premium, so nice. I mean, this could be also be a little gift. I might give this away as well. Though I will swap off the cover first. And last but not least, we have the Wicked bundle. Hi guys, Paper Nate here. Just wanted to interrupt. I'm editing the video right now. I didn't realize that I unboxed Wicked twice. I just love Wicked so much. So I'm gonna fast forward this part while you guys listen to me talk. If you want to see that Wicked unboxing, make sure to watch my last video of the Is It Worth It? The Wicked Wizomania planning kit. I'm gonna do a similar Is It Worth It review of the Powerpuff Girls collection on Wednesday. I believe Wednesday I'm gonna put it out, so stay tuned for that as well. And while you're at it, like and subscribe. Thank you. I love EC. You guys, am I missing, or is this a G? Alphaba Glinda? Because isn't Alphabet's last name Alphabet Throp? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing some references. No, seriously, what is EC? Oh, Emerald City. Oh, right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our little unboxing haul. I'm so happy about this, and I'm so in love with all of the products we got from this launch. It was a really good launch. Really good for my happiness, really bad for my wallet. But that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you Sunday for another Before the Pen spread. Peace! Why'd I do that? Bye!